Do you give people exercises to help them get in tune with their relationship? I feel so corny when I
Mhm.
say that, 'cause
Your
it's like such a
relationship
funny
with money?
you finish my sentence. It's like such a corny buzzword. And we help you with your relationship with money. It's like, oh my God, there's more to holistic advice than managing somebody's money and creating a financial plan that's based on data and algorithms and all those other things.
I am right there with you, Mitch. I do use those buzzwords because that's what people are
I know I do
connecting
too, but
to. But it is true. People really do have a relationship with money. I talk to people about how money was managed in their home when they were young, what type of life they really grew up in, and how they do manage their money does say a lot about their values and a lot about what they think is important. For the exercises that we do, there's this really cool thing. I'll post it tomorrow about your future self, saying like with how connected you are with your future self, it definitely dictates how well you're able to do things like delay gratification, which is all saving money is. It's saying, I've got this money now and I'm going to set some aside for future me. So we do like this full exercise. We're like, imagine yourself, like, what color is your hair? Where do you live? Do you have dogs? Do you have grandkids? And to just get really detailed with it, because this is actually really important for people who struggle with stress, depression, anxiety, or who are like ADD, ADHD. Really, really struggle with future long-term goals. They can just see what's in front of them. That's all they know. And so these exercises are really helpful for people like that.